Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Graham from GB Aviation. Today we're deep diving into a topic that has the aviation enthusiast buzzing, the INI Builds A350 update 10.7. If you're an aviation geek like me or just starting your journey in the skies, this update is a game changer for flight simulation. Stick around as I break down everything we need to know about this exciting update. So if we bring up the changelog, as you can see, the update is vast. Corrected the issue where the incorrect flex temperature values were affecting the engine's power rating. The system now provides accurate thrust settings based on the entered flex temperature. Fix the cruise temperature range on the init page. Bug range is fixed. Fix the step altitude revision bug. Fixed call sign not imported properly. GSX load sheet page integration updated and improved. Also fixed 3D art, as in added the engine covers. Collision mesh in FS24 not working properly, so they fixed that. Added 3D model of pilots in cockpit from outside view. So just to mention a few. And the good thing about INI Builds is they're actually doing this weekly, so they're actually keeping the plane maintained. But the best thing about this update is the SimBrief integration, which can be done directly on the OIS, which is the onboard information system. Say goodbye to switching between apps and windows. Now you can plan your entire flight from departure to arrival straight from the cockpit. So all you need to do is go to the OIS. So if we go down to the OIS system, click on Flight Ops menu. As you can see, we've got a Flight Ops Plan button. Click on that. And this is where you can start inputting your SimBrief flight plan. So going from Manchester today, EGCC, and let's go to Frankfurt, EDDF. Get rid of the keyboard. Keep the alternate on auto. So we're in the INI Builds and the flight number is 123. Leave the passengers and the freight to auto, so SimBrief can calculate how many passengers and how many cargo you've got in there. Block fuel, taxi, ATC, extras, all leave these onto auto. You've also got your cruise level on auto. This is so SimBrief can generate your plan for you, and you can just see if you've got the right airport in place. So it says planning Manchester to Frankfurt. You've got your Lido charts in there, and all you simply do is click generate plan, and it says submitting plan. Then a few seconds later, plan generated successfully, and you've got all your information that you need. So no switching from the app to your simulator needlessly. You can just go straight into this and generate your flight plan there. So you've got your departure and arrival airport. You've got your zero fuel weight. You've got your flight level, your cost index, your average winds. If you click down onto routing, you can see the actual route that you'll be doing. You've got your flight log, so you can go down all the waypoints and arrival procedures. You've got your wind information. You've got your NOTAMs. So there's nothing different. All it is it's on the iOS system now. Now let's see if this is actually being filtered through. So all you need to do is go onto your load sheet, SimBrief import, and therefore it's all calculated in there. Now if you've got GSX, you can load it up with GSX, but if not, you can actually just use your ground tab as you normally do. So I've got GSX, so we'll load with GSX. GSX boarding requested and fuel requested as well. So now let's import this into the FMS. So let's go down to the FMS. Just a few checks just to make sure that we've got the right aircraft. So go down to active, go to initialization and company flight plan request. Click on that. And let's just turn down the brightness on this because it's very, very bright. There you go, that's better. So request plan, company flight plan received, waiting for an insertion. Click back on there, insert, give it a few seconds, and it's there. So your flight number's there, INI 123. Going from Manchester to Frankfurt, alternative, which is Dusseldorf. You've got your cruise level, which is 41,000 feet. The cruise temperature, which has just been updated. Cost index 104, trip wind, headwind of 004. Then you can request your winds, fill in the rest of the FMS. Let's go back to the iOS system. And you can see that we've got all the passengers nearly on board now. So next thing to do, wait for the passengers to board, request, push back an engine start, and away on your flight. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content or live streams. Until the next time, take care, speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.